How to find winning products on Cj Dropshipping. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to find winning products on Cj Dropshipping. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over Cj Dropshipping. Then you are going only to sign in for an account because this is very necessary to sign up and also proceed to the next steps. Now, once you have signed in into your product or your platform, you're going to see here the dashboard or the marketplace of CJ Dropshipping. Now, how we can find the winning products or the most sold products. Also, they are the same synonyms. Most here, most sold, also most liked, and the number of here sold products are very going to be high. That is a winning product. And also, the fast growing selling product is going to be a winning product that is very acquired. So now we are on the CJ dropshipping. Here we are going to see the number of lists. So that means you're going to see here the persons that have added or that they have been adding this specific product. So you are going to see first here before that lists, you are going to see the trending product because the statistics on the CJ dropshipping is going to be a little bit here detailed because if a product doesn't work, it will not showing going to be showing here because CJ dropshipping has a very good reputation of the dropshipping. It will not give you a non-convenient product or a losing product. So you're going simply to see here the trending products. Click on view more. Then you are going to see all the products that are trending in this one. So you can go ahead and see here that we have those. Now, all we need to do is to see the lists on them. Here we have the under the title, we have lists, then we have under the list the price. So make sure that you are going to see the lists, the number of the lists, because that is a sign that the product is going to be or it is selling like crazy. For example, this air conditioner for the summertime is going to be here the most valuable one. Here we have 15,000, more than 15,000 lists. So here we have this one which has 4,000 and this one it is 14,000. This one 23,000 here. It is made to be listed and also sold. Here we have a crazy listing like 61,000. This product is a winning product for sure. This one also, this thermal label printer and this air conditioner, and most of these products are going to be here set as winning products. So make sure that you are going to use the most convenient one for you and also the not the highest listed, because here you are going to enter a competition losing in advance, because when you have, for example, 61,000 here lists, that means at least 61,000 store is going to sell this product. You're going to get a lot of competition and maybe you're going to lose this competition. So here we have those. We have here a 28,000 and etc. Go ahead and choose wisely and carefully your product. For example, this one, it is okay. The competition is a little bit okay. Here also okay. That is good. 8,000, good. I have to admit it. Here 4,000, it is perfect, and etc. That was the first method. The second method, when you go to the dropshipping, you are going to see here the product. So visit one of these products, then you are going to get the here the estimation or also the details about the product. So here, make sure that you are going to see here the inventory, because the inventory is going to head and give you an idea about the product. If you see that the inventory of the product is a little bit small, you're going to move away from that product, because you cannot, if you are going to make it a winning product, you're going to get a short listed from the here inventory. Because let's say that we have only 2000, but you have received a order of 5 or 6000. This is doable. So this is the purpose of the winning product. You're going to get a lot and a lot of orders. So here we have it. Or also, you can go ahead and visit AliExpress, because here, AliExpress, where is AliExpress? This is AliExpress, because here CJ Dropshipping is going to import the products from AliExpress. You have also here, as you can see, winning products by keyword, SKU, or AliExpress URL. So you are going to see here the AliExpress. Go ahead to the market of AliExpress. Then you are going only to verify the products and see here how they are going to be sold, or how many item is sold by the item. For example, I'm going to choose any of these products. Go ahead and choose any product. Then you are going to see the most sold part of this product, or the most sold model. It is very easy to guess, or you are going to be seeing it mentioned. So here we have the product. As you can see, we have only 84 products sold, so it is not a very good deal. So maybe it is from the seller, or it is something like that, because I know that this is a trending product. So let's go ahead and use or see another product. This one is not going to be this, so we are going to use this. So let's see here, what do we have? You can go ahead and ignore the entry in the product here, but you are going to see here the number of stars on the product and the number sold. Here we have 5,000. We have here 1,000. We have only one, 400, and etc. You are going to use here the product based on the number of the sold product, because here on the dead products, I like to mention them or name them as dead product. You're going to see the number of the products here very, very little. So that means that they are going to be something that you are going to lose on, not something that you are going to win on. So make sure that you are going to use a top selling or a very high selling product. Then you are going to put them or link the product. For example, like this one, I'm going to maybe copy the product. So let's go ahead and choose one of the products. I will let you see here how we can copy them. So you can go ahead and type portable hand fan, for example. I'm going to put here hand fan. Then we are going to see here the model on CJ Dropshipping. Go ahead and choose the most convenient one for you. Then you are going to make the most illustration. For example, this one is going to be a little bit here futuristic, but it is very good looking. Better than it is looking the same here nearly, but it doesn't matter. You can also get the link. Here we have those. We have a lot, so choose from them. Here we have also this one. It has a little screen, as you can see. Then you are going to put them on your store. In here, we are going to add or connect our CJ Dropshipping store or account to our here source or the selling channels. How we can find them, you're going to head over the authorization, choose one of them. For example, one of these, Etsy, here Shopify, or etc. I am using always here Shopify, or you can use Etsy. You can go ahead and use these products and sell them directly to those. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.